Hi everyone, happy Massage Monday. Today I'm going to be showing you a back massage. So we're going to focus on two different strokes. The first is going along the muscle fibers. So if the muscle fibers go from top to bottom, then we're going to go along with them. And then we're also going to focus on cross fiber. So that's when you're going to go the opposite direction from the muscle fiber. So in this situation, it would be from right to left. So I'll demonstrate that during the massage. And then also, if there are any questions that anyone has with any of these videos, or if you'd like any advice on something else that we haven't shown you yet, please let us know. We're open to anything, especially while we're all in lockdown. So hope you enjoy it. So first you might want to try setting the room a little bit. So dim the lights and draw curtains. You can light a candle or use a rock salt lamp. Throw some essential oils in a diffuser, or you can even use it for the massage. And then I like to use either coconut oil or grapeseed oil for the massage, but you can use anything else. Just know if you use something like olive oil, it is going to smell like olive oil. So you don't need too much. And then you can just have the person lay on the bed, or if they want to lay on the floor, they can, but the bed might be a little bit more comfortable for you as the person massaging them. So I'm just going to apply the oil. I told him to just lay however is most comfortable for him, so he has his arms up by his head, but if it's more comfortable, arms by your sides, whatever is most comfortable for the person who's laying down. So some really easy movements. This one in massage school we called the tree. So here you have the roots of the tree, and you go along, the scapula bones are right here, so we're just going along the scapula bones, and we're just going along these big muscle groups along next to the spine. They're called your erector spinae. So we have the spine right here. We're not putting any pressure on the spine. We're just right next to it. And then you've got the branches of the tree and the leaves over here. And you can see I just used my thumbs in a circular motion at the bottom. So we bring it forward and then we branch out. So this is a really easy move that feels really good, and it just helps warm up that back really easily. If you do by any chance with your arms go over these scapula bones, it's okay because you actually have your trap muscle that goes right over it, so you're not going to hurt the person by going on the bone. Just try and keep pressure off the spine itself. And then I'm also using the palm of my hand to put pressure along his back. So it's not just in my fingers, and it's not just in this part of my hand, it's actually also this bottom part of my palm. If you're feeling like you need to get in a little bit deeper, you can even use the knuckles. And again, I'm just going here next to the spine, but I'm not on the spine at all. And then we just branch out. And again. So those are some pretty easy moves that you can do. I also sometimes like to use my knuckles here on the shoulders. So this is quite easy because I can actually put my elbow into my body, and then I can just lean forward. So I'm actually not using I'm not doing any work, and I'm not using any pressure. I'm just leaning. So this is a really easy way to kind of get in a little bit deeper for them without you actually having to do much work. You could use your fingers if you want. It might feel like your fingers get quite tired, so that's why I like to use the fists. But the person that's, getting the massage can also communicate with you at any point and just say, hey, this feels good, or that doesn't feel so great, or maybe try this. So feel free to speak up if you're getting massaged. And then just doing some pinching as well here on the shoulders. So now I'm just getting down on my knees and just kind of pinching that trap a little bit. I can use my palms to just go inwards and outwards. So these are some just really basic, easy moves that you can do on the back. You can go over to the sides if you want, and even do some cross fiber movements. So I'm just literally just going back and forth. I'm putting most of the pressure once again on the bottom. You can even just do one side at a time if you want. You can even push upwards if you want to get forwards. And you can do, once again, the pinching of the trap, which the technique is called petrissage, and you can do it from a different angle. So this might even feel easier for you. And then obviously we've got the bed on the other side, so I can't really get onto the other side. So all I would do is just ask Brett to turn over so that his head is now where his feet were and his feet where his head was, so that I could work the other side. So, you know, feel free to ask the person to kind of move around to make it a little bit easier. Obviously we don't have massage tables at home, so. If you found this video helpful at all, or if there's anything else that you'd like to see or have something explained a little bit better, please comment below or just send us a DM. We want to give you the best content while you're at home during this quarantine time to not only learn these new skills, but also just be able to have a little bit of self-care at home. So just let us know.